Hey guys, Pastor Kyle here, just to bring you a urgent needs update about the situation in Haiti. If you've been following the news this week or last week, you may have seen that there was a big earthquake in the southern section of Haiti. There are still tens of thousands of people that have been displaced and several thousand that have died. So it is still a pretty serious situation. I've been able to connect with a couple of missionaries that are actually on the ground closer to Port-au-Prince, but are putting together some food kits for those that have been affected. So they've been making trips regularly, and the cost for each food kit, which includes really basic needs, it's rice, spaghetti, pasta sauce, beans. I mean, it is like as basic as it comes. It's $20 per kit, and their goal is 100 kits. And so I wanted to let you know about this special opportunity that we have to partner with this missionary team on the ground. They are actually, and this is one of the things I'm most excited about, the missionary team is actually from Uruguay. And so I was able to connect with them this last week, and they let me know about some of the needs that they were trying to meet there. So we have this unique opportunity to come alongside them. The easiest way for you to do this is to give online at newlifedbq.com/give, and there you can select the Haiti Earthquake Fund to designate your giving. If you'd rather give via check, you can mail it maybe today, but we are going to have to, because of the urgent need in the situation, we will have to close off the giving from our church on Monday in order to have time to transfer the money to them, in order that they can have time to buy the kits, put them together, so that they can ship them out next Thursday for everyone. So it's kind of a short timetable, so I hope that you pray about this and we can help meet these urgent needs together. I appreciate you guys, and thanks so much for just how you are letting God use you all over the world.